Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make your threads profile private. It's very easy guys. So guys, if you want to do this, the first step to take is to open your threads app and then log into your account. After that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then once you write in your profile, click on the two lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then you find the privacy option. Tap on that, and right here at the top you find the private profile option. Go ahead and turn on the toggle button for that, just like this, and click on OK. So after that, your profile will be private, so only your followers can be able to see your post on your profile, right? So guys, that's how it works. So hope this video was helpful and you now know how to make your threads profile private. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.